Integrate identity as a third-party service. Service providers provide two identification services. There are two basic approaches to architecting identity services, in-house or outsourced. In-house, all the systems and data are located within the organization. In an outsourced model, most or all of the systems or data will be hosted by an external party. Integrate identity as a third-party service. Three scenarios are on-premises implementations, cloud services, and a federated approach. On-premise system is one in which all needed resources remain under own company physical control. In the cloud organization, in using an identity from an outside provider, such as Google, Facebook, or Amazon Web Services. Federated group of partners will need to examine the increased spread of the risks involved.